Now, after ONVO saw 1,700 insurance registrations, so many of the retail investors, or some of the retail investors, they are wondering if whether ONVO is going to get the 10,000 as what they had said, or as per their target, because 10,000 insurance registrations for ONVO, or deliveries for ONVO now in December, it means that on average ONVO should be at least delivering like what, 2,500 insurance registrations per week. But we have not seen that. I mean, first full week of December, ONVO, you will know that they had 1,430, if I remember very well. And last week, or for last week, they had like 1,700. And the two figures for the first 2 weeks, it doesn't look like if they continue at this pace, they will get to the 10,000. But personally, I've been saying, first 2 weeks are usually slow, but what we usually see is that in the last 2 weeks of the month, we usually see registrations coming in masses. This is what we have seen on Nio. This is what we have seen even on ONVO. If you look, ever since they started delivering these cars end of September, you will notice that towards the end of the month, they usually, of course, deliver more vehicles. Now, the reason why I'm telling you about this and I'm reminding you about what we saw last week, which led into some of the retail investors being worried if ONVO will produce 10,000, is, well, the ONVO president once again came in today, and guess what he said, man? The president just reiterated that they are going to get 10,000. He acknowledged that yes, they have not been doing as per they planned, especially last week. They were not expecting those insurance registrations, they expected more, but they are still very confident, or he is still very confident, that ONVO L60 will get plus 10,000 deliveries come end of this month. Which I don't know, man. I don't know how many signs, how many times has this guy came out here and told everyone that he foresees 10,000. I mean, from the insurance registrations of last week and the first full week of December, you and me can agree that they have like what, 3,200, and when you add the first day, they are like at what, 3,500 at most, which it simply means that they still got 6,500 insurance registrations to still deliver to get to the 10,000. Which the biggest question is, are they going to get there? I think yes, absolutely they are going to get there, because there is no reason why the president of ONVO can come and just reiterate once again, send out this statement once again, telling us that they will deliver 10,000 deliveries, knowing very well that they won't. I think this just means one thing, and that is blue sky is coming. Plus 30,000 deliveries are coming. With Nio, the 4,400, we know that it was not as bad. Looking at that, it is the second week of the month. I think Nio, it's also preparing to sell plus 20,000 this month. We are going to see that from Nio. Nio is going to sell plus 20,000. ONVO is going to sell plus 10,000, and combined they are going to sell plus 30,000 deliveries. This is what I am seeing. I'm sorry, some of you guys might think that maybe I'm crazy because I'm seeing this, but this is what we are seeing. I mean, it is funny that on the streets of social media, some people or some of the new investors have even started making polls of saying, when do you think a CEO of Nio is going to come and reiterate or lower their guidance? And he puts the dates on the poll where people are coming in to choose which day they can come. I'm like, what? Really? I do not think that is necessary, because guess what? No CEO of Nio is coming, no president of ONVO will come and reiterate their or adjust their delivery guidance, because Nio is going to get plus 30,000 deliveries for the month of December. This is what they are going to get. Last week, the Nio CEO told us. This week, ONVO President again is telling us. I mean, it's a clear sign to say that they cannot come every week coming and reiterating 30,000. And we are the ones as investors who, by the way, don't really know the orders that Nio is receiving, who, by the way, we don't really know the total number of cars that Nio is producing per day. We coming and saying, no ways, Nio is going to make that number. No ways is Nio going to make that 30,000. Well, I've came today to once again also reiterate, I stand with the CEO of Nio, I stand with the ONVO President to say that I believe that Nio can do it. Ignore the naysayers, ignore the day-to-day, and just focus on where Nio could be. But personally, I believe that we are going to get the 30,000 deliveries. This is what I'm saying. President of ONVO came in and said deliveries are going to speed up, and he's confident that they will meet the target of more than 10,000 units for December. This is what he said. He re-emphasized the month's target of delivering more than 10,000 units. He said this will be met. Yes, deliveries were a bit slow last week, but 10,000 will be met. 10,000 is going to be met. This is what he said. This is what I'm going to believe, because this will lead into Nio having total deliveries of 30,000, which is, I look forward to that, and I will take this as the new investor. So tell me what you think about this. Maybe, I'm not sure if this is the last time, because especially for the ONVO President, he's coming almost on a weekly basis, re-emphasizing the point that they are going to get 10,000. 10,000 is coming, 10,000 is coming, 10,000 is coming, and I believe that they are going to make the 10,000, which he has been reiterating for quite a number of times. I don't know how many times I've lost count, but I think they are going to make it. So tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win, man. And I know sometimes it's tough to believe, especially looking at the insurance registrations, but you will know that they don't reflect also the actual numbers, because they don't reflect actual numbers, but they give guidance on what to expect. And the guidance right now is not looking that good when we think about the 30,000 that Nio wants to deliver, but I'm telling you, it will come. Hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell. On this channel, I talk about Nio, and I appreciate many of you guys out there who continue coming back and watch, like, and comment. Give comments on the video I post about Nio. Some of the comments that you post or that you say I don't respond, I apologize for that. I try as much to respond to every comment that comes, but because sometimes the comments can be so many, sometimes I'm unable to comment, because by the time I'm supposed to sit down, I'm already maybe making another video which I need to edit and get ready to post. So yeah, man, just bear with me, but I'll try my best to respond to the comments, or to most of the comments that come through the comment section. Tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win. That's all from me, and God bless you all.